Okay, James, we have Mike Ashby in the build room today. Ta-ta-da! And Ryan, on the back of Ryan's head. There he is. So I don't make everyone sick, we'll go nice and slow here, moving camera. So this is an eBay customer. Michael has ordered a Gen 4, which, ta-da, 58 tooth crank reluctor. And then the timing equipment we'll put on the front will be a 4X timing gear, and it will read off of the nose. We have a nice fresh block, look like it cleaned up really nice. So what is it you're doing here?
We just plastic gauge the crank for clearances, and
Okay.
we'll be pulling it out, lubing everything up, and putting it all back together.
Okay, so what we'll do is when we get the lower end done, we'll do a few pictures, and then when you flip-flop it over, we'll do another video and show how we put together the top end, lifters and all that stuff. But Michael Ashby, you're in the build room. It won't be long now. Thank you.